Assalamu alaikum. Presenting to my today topic, why do people learn English? English is an international language. It is a second language of all the world. Many students higher education to another country. The students are to learn English. Basically, if you want to better opportunity, better job, and better higher education to another country to learn English. That's why many students and many people learn English every day and practice every day. Many institutes in our country, like that bank, government institute, private sector, are daily using English because they are communicate with many employees and others faculty or many corporate sector to communicate English. Thank you.